Hey folks, BlindMan13 here from PCG and welcome back to another OBS tutorial video. In today's video we're going to try and keep it short and sweet. We're going to try and keep it under 5 minutes. We're going to be showing you how to set up your live alerts on your OBS for your Twitch and YouTube. So that includes live donation notifications, subscriber notification, likes, and all that fun stuff. We're just going to get straight into it. We're going to show you how to set it up nice, quickly and easy and try and keep it under 5 minutes so not to waste your time and try and get you going as soon as possible. Thanks for watching and let's get stuck right into it. So the first thing we want to do is head over to our Streamlabs, and once you're in Streamlabs, download the Streamlabs app, of course, if you haven't already. And then once you've signed in and did all that good stuff, down in your little dashboard here on the left, we want to head straight to Essentials and go to Alert Box. And then this will bring up this quite daunting looking page. Now, there is a lot of information on this page and it's quite easy to get overwhelmed. We're just going to try and get to the basics here as to keep it going smoothly and simple, and so you don't get overwhelmed and you're on your way to getting your alert boxes all set up good. So, in this main page, we just want to head down to where it says General Settings. You'll see beside that it says Donations, Subscribers, Members, Super Chats, and so on. Click on Donations and let's start off with Donations. Now, Donation Alerts, you'll have to select Enabled. Layout, so it gives you, the layout here will be, the first one is a picture and then text, or just text, or the picture and the text beside it. So you can choose any three of your templates here. The first one I like the best, so I just selected it. Alert animation, so fade in and fade out is probably the best bet. You can choose from fade in down big, fade in left, and so on. I'll just stick with fade in. I thought that looked the best. So on down again, minimum amount to alert. You almost will set that to 0, because if you're a small channel like me, you're not really getting any donations or anything realistically, unless you're pumping up a lot of subscribers and a lot of viewers. So the minimum amount to alert will be 0, will be the ideal, because you want the alert to show up. Message on template, so in brackets name, which will be the person that donated, and in brackets amount, which will be their amount, and then you can decide that you can put in your own text, and I have just wrote "you are amazing" and a smiley face, so you can just type in anything you want, just like a little personal message to the person that's donating. Text animation, you can choose from either one of these, rubber band, tat out, wave, wiggle, wobble. I choose wiggle. And then your image, so Streamlabs offers you some images that they provide themselves. You can download your own image, it's totally up to yourself. I have a lovely little picture, or a little gif, sorry, of a horse galloping on a beach. Now, when I run with the squad, we call ourselves the Stallions, so it's kind of like an inside joke. So I have a stallion that's just galloping, and it looks glorious, so that's what I've put into the image. You can choose a static image, or you can download your own GIF, or Streamlabs offers their own. And then the sound, once again, Streamlabs offers a wide variety of sounds that you can choose. I have downloaded my own, which I have edited myself, which I have playing when the donation happens. Sound volume 50%, you can set that yourself. Alert duration, 15 seconds is just about enough, to be honest. You can have it run for a minute. 15 seconds or less, I wouldn't recommend doing any more than 15 seconds, to be honest. Alert text delay, so the alert will start and then the text will come in. I have 3 seconds. Enable custom HTML CSS, hit disabled. And then, yeah, that's pretty much, that's the basics down for the donations. And then, yeah, without getting into too much detail, without trying to get overwhelm everybody. So that's straight in with the donations, and then let's move over to the subscribers. Now we have selected on subscribers, you will start to notice it is pretty much exactly the same. So you can set it up exactly the same as you have for donations, for subscribers, for members, for super chats. I like to keep it all uniform. Maybe it's probably good to mix it up a wee bit so you can tell between which ones, but you'll know by the alert will come up, you'll know which one it is. So once again, your layout there, the picture and the text underneath, or just text, or the picture and text beside it, your alert animation, fade in, fade out, your message template, so the name of the person that just subscribed, and then I have written "what an absolute legend!" exclamation mark. Then again, text animation wiggle, and I have my GIF installed in the image section, and my sound, which is my own personal sound, which I edited myself. And then the sound again, sound volume 50%, alert duration 15 seconds, alert text delay 2 seconds. That should be set to 3. Whoops. Anyway, and enable custom HTML-CSS disabled. And then again, it's just going to be exactly the same for pretty much everything else. So what we want to do is just test these a wee bit, show you how to go. This is just a simple how to get you going. Don't want to overwhelm anybody with details. It can get pretty overwhelming, but this is just set it up. This will have you going in no time. So let's go on to the next part of the video. So now that we are back at our OBS screen, we need to add our alert boxes into our main live stream. So simply go to your sources, select the plus button, along essential sources, go to alert box, and then select add source. You want to select add new source instead, and then add source. And now along the left hand side here, it will say, you know, donations, merch, super chat, subscribers, members, and all. You just need to enable those and then select which ones you want to add in, and then simply hit done. Once you hit done, it will bring it up in the middle of the screen, and all you do is simply resize it to make it however big or however small you would like it. I have already got mine set up, so I won't do that. I'll just hit cancel. But it's just as simple as select done and then pushing it into the screen and making it appear wherever you want on the live stream. And then along the bottom here, you can see just past my webcam here, there's a little option to test widgets. Now select that and then test your subscriber one. So remember, I have mine all set up basically exactly the same. So we'll select subscriber, and it will show up there perfectly on the screen. Now my duration set to 15 seconds, so it will run 15 seconds and then it'll shut off. And then the membership one is slightly different. I'm not sure I've set that one up actually. Oh yes, because I don't have membership set up on my YouTube yet, so that's just why it's like that. And donation, exactly the same again. And then for my super chat is also exactly the same. And then I've just written a little personalised message for each one. And it runs for 15 seconds, and then that's it done. And then that's basically it, folks. That's just trying to keep it short and sweet and quick. A quick and easy guide to set up your alerts on OBS. I hope you find this video useful, folks. Thank you all for watching. Stay safe, and I'll see you all in the next one.